work I do with the Washington Fire Chiefs and in working with the labor organizations, it is absolutely essential that we protect our protectors. Our firefighters are the most valuable asset we have, and having new and up-to-date, properly cleaned, and having training so that you know how to properly use your personal protective equipment is essential. And especially in these economic times we're in, this is not the area that I would recommend that we make decisions to cut the use of good protective equipment for our firefighters. Our most valuable asset that we have in the fire department are the firefighters that are serving the communities and are going into the IDLHs and these hazardous environments. And having proper equipment is absolutely essential for them to do their job. The last thing we want our firefighters to do is to be worried about not having proper personal protective equipment while they're serving to protect the community. So I think the motivations for fire chiefs has to be to make sure that doesn't occur. And we have good partners, we have good vendors that are willing to provide education and training and equipment. And I think it's our responsibilities as leaders to make sure we do that. I do recall the time when if you had a white helmet that was clean, maybe you felt like you weren't tried enough to prove yourself as an incident commander. But I think that culture is leaving us. I think more importantly is not what you look like, but how well protected you are in order to go into a hazard environment and do your job safely and come out safely. That's more essential, I think, than the macho attitude of having a dirty